what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Alethea. If you're new here, come on in for a new video. As you can see, I am sitting in a different spot in my room, and I just decided to come over here. I need my phone. I'll be back. So I just decided to come over here, sit in this corner, and have a little chat with you guys. Instead of sitting the way I normally do, I decided just come on over here. Come on over here and make it cozy, right? All right, so what am I trying to find? All right, so this video is actually going to be a video about my Sisterlocks. And like I said, I just decided to come over here and sit in this little spot. So if this doesn't work for you all, if the lighting is off or anything like that, then please let me know and I won't come and sit in this corner of the room and make another video. Anyway, the first thing I want to do before I get into this video, and I have my little book right here, little journal. I usually write down my YouTube inspirations, so to speak, as well as my Sisterlock information and things like that that I may want to share. But before I get started, I don't even remember, let me be totally honest, I don't even remember entering her giveaway. I don't know what I did, but I received a notification from Lakeisha's Locks that I had won her giveaway. And when the gift came, it came just like this. I'm gonna move this, but this is the bow. And the product that I won is actually from Sisterlocks. She sent me the Sisterlocks Moisture Treatment. Now, I don't think, as a matter of fact, I know, I'm not to the point, I know, whatever, that I'm to the point to where it's okay for me to use this cream. But let's see if you can see it. And let me come up just a little bit closer, just so I can show it to you. It's just like a little, wait, hold on. It's just like a little white cream. It's not thick, but I can feel the moisture in it. Ooh, I like the way that feels. Ooh, I like the way that feels. Yes, yes. I'm going to close this up. So she sent this cream, and she also sent me a card. Let me see, where's that card? Let me see the card. And the card was so cute. She has my name on the outside, and on the inside, look at it. It just says thank you. And on the inside, she says, oh, okay, so it says so very much. So on the outside, it says thank you, and here it says so very much. I don't know why I'm covering it up, because I'm about to read it to you. It says, Alethea, thank you for supporting my Sisterlocks journey and subscribing to my YouTube channel, Lakeisha's Locks. I hope the Sisterlock Moisture Treatment product will help you on your journey. Enjoy. Sincerely, Lakeisha. So that was very, very kind of her, and I definitely appreciate that. So now that I've told you all about that, let's get into this video. So in this video, I am going to tell you guys 10 reasons I love my Sisterlocks. 10. When I give you these reasons, they're not going to be in chronological order, sequential order, whatever word you want, whatever word you want to use, they're not going to be like that. I'm not telling you the thing that I like the most up to the thing that I like the least, or the thing I like the least up to the thing I like the most. As I thought of these things, I just wrote them down. So I'm just going to share them with you. So the first reason is that I can't speak for anybody else that has Sisterlocks. So when I give these tips and things that are not these tips, but when I tell you the things that I love, these things relate to me, because my journey is not someone else's journey. So the first thing is I never have a bad hair day. So while I understand, and I've seen a couple of videos where people have said that they've had some bad hair days with having their Sisterlocks, and I'm like, how sway, how? But I haven't, I don't. So that is that. I get up, whether I take my hair and put it in a ponytail at night, or whether or not I take my hair and put in some twist at night, or even a couple of braids, whatever. It doesn't really matter. When I wake up and I get myself together, there's not a bad hair day for me. Number 2, they are so convenient. I do not know how I functioned. Let me just stop. I do know how I function, but I'm just saying, on a serious note, these things are so freaking convenient because I don't have to spend a lot of time on my hair, and it's just a get up and go type of thing. And I'm about that get up and go type of life. Now, granted, yeah, I know I take a little time to do my makeup. That's not what we're talking about today, though. We're not talking about my makeup. We're talking about my hair.
What you want to say? I know you got something you want to say. Hello? Because you don't just come home and not want to come in here. Come on, come on. Come on, give me my course, duh. But I know you want to. Look at you, licking your lips already.
So, number 3, the third reason is the quick shampoo days. When I shampoo my hair in the shower, okay, the longest thing, well, it is not even long. I braid and band, of course, because I'm still at the braiding and banding stage. However, once I braid and band and I go get in the shower and I shampoo my hair and then I get out, I keep my towel on, not towel, my t-shirt, or now I have the, what do you call that? The thing for when you, the wrap for when you shampoo your hair. Once I take that off and I take the bands out and I'm just done, I'm gone. There's no styling. There's no detangling and all that kind of stuff, which I'm gonna have to do better with separating because my locks be trying to marry and that stuff irritates when I'm getting my hair done. So I'm gonna have to do better at that. So there is a little bit of a detangling process, but it's not like other shampoo days. Number 4, my hair dries rather quickly. My hair would take forever, depending on how I did it. Despite the fact of me having a fine textured hair, my hair would take forever to dry before I got my Sisterlocks. But now it is dry in no time. My hair dries in no time. Number five, vacation ready hair. You know how when you get ready to go on vacation, you try to figure out how you're gonna wear your hair, because when you go on vacation, you don't want to worry about your hair. So a lot of times we get braids or, you know, certain styles that are low maintenance styles before we go on vacation so that you don't have to deal with it. Well, now my hair is vacation ready. So case in point, when I went to Barbados, I didn't have to worry about getting my hair done, doing anything to my hair, because my hair was vacation ready. Number 6, length retention. My hair has always grown fast, and I'm not going to be one of those people that says my hair didn't grow until I got Sisterlocks. No, that's not the case for me. My hair has always grown fast. However, it was hard for me to retain length. You could see my length, but you couldn't see my length. And I don't know if you get what I mean. Like, if I would flat iron my hair, you could see my length, of course, because it was stretched. However, with my hair in its loose, natural state, sometimes it just seemed like I wasn't retaining length, and that's probably because I had some breakage or what have you. Because if your hair is growing and is growing at the same rate each month, there's no reason why the hair shouldn't just keep growing and you see that length, unless you're not retaining length. And I was not retaining my length the way I should have, or the way my hair could have possibly been retaining its length had I not been doing so much manipulation and stuff to my hair. Number 7, having Sisterlocks is more like loose natural hair. Yes, it is more like having loose natural hair when you have Sisterlocks, because you have the versatility, the style versatility of loose natural hair most of the time. So when it comes to Sisterlocks, there is that loose natural hair styleability that is appealing about it. The next thing, number 8. Now, don't get me wrong when I say this, because I'm not saying my loose natural hair was not gorgeous, but these Sisterlocks are gorgeous. Yes, they are. I mean, y'all can't tell me nothing. I mean, really, I'm not one of those conceited people. I'm not one of those people that is stuck up on myself or anything, but when it comes to these Sisterlocks,
you can't tell me nothing, baby. Sit over there, because you can't.
Number 9 is kind of something that I've already said, but it's kind of one of those things that is the scales are unbalanced. So what do I mean? Number 9 is I don't have to worry about detangling my hair.
Hold up. Wait a minute. I know what I just said a few minutes ago.
I don't have to detangle my hair in the sense that I need a brush or that I gotta do my fingers to do all that extra stuff to make sure I don't have single strand knots, to make sure my hair is, I can go and rake my finger all the way through my hair. I don't have to do that in the sense of detangling. Yes, I need to separate my locks to keep them from marrying. But as far as detangling in the, let me detangle this section and twist it up and twist up and do what I got to do, or detangle it and put my gel on it for a wash and go or what have you. No. I don't have to do any of that with having Sisterlocks. But yes, I do need to separate my locks. And number 10, and this is the last thing. Like I said, with this video, with these things, nothing is not a greatest to the least or least to the greatest. This is just how I wrote these things down in this book. But number 10 is the fact that my hair has more volume. I have more volume with my styles. Now, my hair is not all full and it's not all big, but when I do like a twist out, like when I did that twist out with that lot of body, y'all saw that body I had up in there. Or even now with my hair, it's not, you know, like flat to my head. I could just fluff it up a little bit. But with my loose natural hair, sometimes my twist outs were like stringy, straggly, just, they weren't cute at all. They were not cute at all. So, but yeah, I'm loving the volume in my hair now. And the last thing that I want to say in this video, and I don't know which video it was that I initially told how many locks I had, and I think the number changed. I'm not even sure because I don't remember myself. However, I'm going to say it again in this video. I have 472 locks. Once again, hey, I have 472 Sisterlocks in my hair. 472 Sisterlocks on my head. I've had several people to ask me how many locks do I have, and that is how many locks I have. I have 472 locks. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. I know all good things must come to an end, as the Yin Yang twins said. So yeah, let me sit up and be prim and proper. Once again, thank you so much for coming to check out another video on my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. I just said subscribe, so why do I say comment, like, subscribe? I guess because I'm so used to saying that. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm being prim and proper. Don't forget to share this video across all your social media sites. Tell everybody you know, brother, sister, cousin, boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, other person you're messing with, whatever it is, whatever the case may be, just tell them to come on over here and join the family and hit that bell for notifications. Hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I come in with some new shenanigans. So, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe. What am I? Wait, okay, so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.